Pancake day left your hob looking a mess? Here's how to get it perfectly clean. First, remove the pan supports and leave them to soak in the sink with some washing up liquid while you clean everything else. Remove the rings and place them in a bowl. Squeeze in half a lemon and 1/3 of a cup of bicarbonate of soda. Pour boiling water over them and leave to soak for 20 minutes. Go in first with a damp cloth. Then for the first clean, spray kitchen cleaner all over the hob and let it sit for a few minutes before wiping away. For more stubborn bits of dirt, use a heavy-duty cream cleaner. Buff the cream into the marks with a damp cloth and leave to sit for 5 minutes before wiping away. The pan supports should be finished soaking, so give them a scrub to get rid of any stubborn dirt, then put everything back together. And you're all done. Now you can enjoy your clean hob and maybe make some more pancakes.